One of the ways to tidy up your LinkedIn profile when somebody's looking in at your details is to personalize or customize it, sometimes called your LinkedIn URL. I found what's probably a fake profile here, Prince Joker, sounds like a fake profile. And if I go into the contact information of Prince Joker, you will see it opens up like this. And you'll see that Prince Joker, which we know is a false name anyway, but has got a string of letters and numbers behind his name. And we can basically tidy that up. So if Prince Joker really wanted to be Prince Joker as a professional version of himself, then he could delete the letters and the miscellaneous numbers that appear behind his name. So how do we do that? So I'll just get rid of him. So from my LinkedIn profile, I'll just take you from the home page, which is where I'm sat now, and we go to the view my own profile. So we open up the profile and you see on here at the top right hand side of the screen there's this area which says edit public profile and URL. So we're going to first of all click on there and it will open up another screen in which that information almost repeats. So it's edit your custom URL, and you see next to your name will appear this string of letters and numbers after your name. So if you click on the pencil that just appears alongside it, a box will open up surrounded by a blue outline, and in it will be that miscellaneous numbers and strings thing. So what you want to do here is actually add your name into that box. Now clearly if you call John Smith, John Smith's probably already gone, so you might want to make that Smith John. If you've got a middle name, you might enter that, so it would be John T. Smith. You might go Smith John, Smith.John, John.Smith, John-Smith. It's just a little way to actually professionalize your LinkedIn URL. I don't know if it makes a great deal of difference in the scheme of things, but when I look at a profile that has been edited in that way, I just figure that they've just done that little bit extra to personalize the profile and that they know what they're doing on LinkedIn. Hope that's helpful. Thanks.